What's up, Kellen?
Welcome back, buddy.
MotoSport.com Gearhead gift guide.
We're in the lounge. We're in the lounge.
Holiday edition.
Yep.
It's Christmas time, guys.
Holiday edition, Gear Lounge. We're talking gifts. We're here to help you guys out and give you some good ideas to kick off this holiday season.
Kick off, I like what you did there.
Yeah, get a jump on it, you know what I mean? We got everything from boots to stocking stuffers like goggles, casual wear, gloves,
socks, and toys. If you're a kid at heart like myself, who wouldn't love to play with the AP toy? Throw some whips over your wife's head whenever she's cooking supper. Have some fun with that. What else you got
love
there,
the
Kellen?
cowboy. Well, we did talk about the boots briefly. Let's get into it. I love these things. These are the Youth Edition Tech 7S from Alpine Stars. Jam-packed with all the same features you'd expect. Super impressed with this. You want to keep the kiddos ripping, keep them protected, give them all the same benefits, technology that you'd expect from a premium boot. You're going to get it in a youth package. So stoked on these. Check them out.
Inside those, have some 100% socks, kids, up to the knees. Protect those from blisters, those ankles from blisters, and go from there. But then we got some Ryder Co. gear, made for you, specially colorway, sizing, everything for youth. And yeah, it's the same technology that goes into the adult stuff and some of the best gear on the market. What about when you're done at the track? What do you got to wear home?
Oh, we got some casual, we got hoodies, we got t-shirts, hats, anything to keep you styling.
That's right, Kellen.
Don't forget about the goggles. We got a huge offering from all the different brands on youth-specific goggles. Really cool features nowadays that you'd see on all the adult goggles, you know, moisture-wicking foam, triple layer, everything just in a smaller frame package for those little ones. So if you're out shopping for gifts this holiday season, you know where to look. We've got a bunch of stuff on the site, and we hope this helps you out.
Thanks for checking out the MotoSport.com Gearhead Gift Guide Holiday Edition. Don't forget, free shipping over $79 and first free exchange. So if you get something that doesn't fit, we'll take care of you.